So we built a simple text auto response app, but now we're gonna make it so when the person texts a particular thing, join, we'll send a different message back to them. We'll thank them for joining our list. We're not going to put them in the list yet. That'll be the next video. But on this one, we'll at least distinguish between different texts. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to have to use an if-else block. So I'm going to click on the screen again, go to Control, and grab an if-else. And this lets us make decisions. Okay, or let your app make decisions. So I'm going to grab this guy and put him at the top here. And really what I want to say is if the message I receive, which is going to be this message text, if it's the same as join, then I'm going to do something. Otherwise, I'm going to do what I was doing already. Okay, so first let's build the test. Now I can't grab this block. This is what the senders just sent me. I can grab it from over here with this reference block, this value block. And I want to know if that guy is equal to, so I'm going to grab an equals block. I want to know if that guy is equal to the text join. Okay, so did the person just text me a simple join request? Okay. All right, so if this message I received is lowercase join, okay, we're going to be very simple here, then I want to text a particular thing. So I'm going to grab all these blocks. And we in both cases, we want to send a message. So I'm going to copy these three blocks. Whoops. There's one. There's two. And I'm using, on my Mac, I'm using Command-C and Command-V to copy and paste. But so in one case, we're going to send a message. We're also going to send a message in the second case. But for this first case, if the message is join, then I want to say, thank you for joining. You are now part of the list. Okay, and of course for a real app, you'd have more specific message there. Okay, down here we're going to keep our messages the same. In other words, if they just send us a random text, we are going to just tell them, hey, if you want to join, click join. Then they could text again and join, and then we tell them thank you for joining. Okay, realize right now we're not really building a list yet, but we'll show you that in a second. So the keys for this app is I wanted to show you if else. So when an event occurs, in this case a text received, I can make decisions, and based on some of the information that comes in, I can do different things. Okay, so let's test this app. I'm going to go back to my two emulators, and my app is still running on 554, but let's go ahead and reconnect to 554 because I opened up the messaging app. So anyway, this will start the app back up on 554, and then let's get ready over here, and 556 is going to send the particular message join. Okay, we're also going to we'll send another text test because we need to test both branches of the app, right? We want to test the case when the message is join, and we want to test the case when it's not join. Okay, as soon as this yellow connector turns green, we know our app is up and running. Plus, it'll show up here. Okay, so I think I'm ready. As soon as I see my little status message, which we haven't programmed yet, then I'll be ready. Okay, there it is. So my app is running right now. I'm going to click on send, and 556 just sent 554 a message. Okay, this guy just received it, and it looks like 556 just received a message as well. And yeah, I don't think this worked. It looks like it still sent the invitation back. Okay, let's try this again. Well, let's fix this. Okay, what I used was a mathematical equals, and for text that won't work. So my test was not right. So instead, I'm going to go to text and use text equals. Okay. I'm going to grab my join. I'm going to grab my message text. I'm going to get rid of this kind of number equals and use this guy. Okay. So this is just saying our two pieces of text equal, the message text and the specific text join. All right, let's try to test it again. I'm going to type in join from 5554. Okay. My message got sent. This guy received it. Okay, and now we've got the right thing. So I think I just fixed the app by using a text equals instead of this math equals. But like I said, we need to test both branches. So it's responding to join correctly. What if we just type in ZZZZ? Send the message. 554 got it, and now it's going back to the invite. So now the app is working how we want.